An Australian Human Rights Act would help uphold not only the human rights of Australians with disability, but of all Australians of all ages, and ensure that everyone's human rights are upheld in all areas of life.
Many people with disabilities exist in frameworks and systems that other people don't experience.
Young people with disability can experience human rights issues and abuses pretty much in all areas of life. Education is one of the main ones. We can see young people who experience things like suspension or being punished for behaviours associated with their disability, but also we see those same behaviours criminalised.
In lots of respects, people with disabilities experience a lot of segregation, social isolation, exclusion. There have been previous inquiries and reports over the years that continually demonstrated that people with disability experienced high levels of violence. We have very little frameworks, legal frameworks in Australia that capture and can protect people with disability from violations of their human rights. Disability can present some very unique and specific violations of human rights.
Having the Victorian Charter for Human Rights gives us a framework and a platform for justice, for freedom, and for equality. It's really a helpful tool on lots of different levels and in lots of different ways. So for us with our individual human rights advocacy service at WIDAS, we use it as a tool to assess, is this young person's experiencing a human rights issue? It gives us something to point to, which is in legislation, which is in law, which reminds the government and anyone who's a representative of the government of the human rights that they need to lawfully uphold.
The Charter, and also I'm a big advocate for a National Human Rights Act. I think that gives a frame of reference for people outside personal experience of disability to understand what the standards and principles should be. We need to be able to question the system and see how the system creates barriers for people with impairments.